In this video, we will discuss about the real gases or the non-ideal gases. We will also discuss that why gases deviate from the ideal behavior. So let's start. Non-ideal or real gases. Real gases don't obey the ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT, and the postulates of the kinetic molecular theory of a gases at all temperature and the pressure. So the deviation from the ideal behavior is due to low temperature and the high pressure. The gases deviate from the ideal behavior at a low temperature and the high pressure. Because at the low temperature and the high pressure, the average kinetic energy of the molecules is low. Empty spaces among the molecules are very small and the molecules are come close to one another. So as a result, the gas molecules do possess the weak attractive forces that are called van der Waals forces and have a volume that can't be ignored as compared to the total volume of the gas container. Thus, the deviation is more and the gases behave non-ideally at low temperature and the high pressure. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel Digital Chemistry. Thank you for watching.